Alright, and gentlemen, for today you are going to create a Google Doc. So we're going to go to New, we're going to create a Google Doc. Now to make this look like a magazine, we are going to do a couple of things that are going to be a little bit different than what we've done before. So first, once this starts, you are going to go to Insert. Once it gets all loaded up, make sure you do title your document and you do share it with me, as always. But first, you are going to insert. Actually, no, it's not insert. Table. Sorry, wrong place. Table, insert table. And then you're going to make a table that is 2 by 1. Okay, so then this is where you're going to type all your text. So you're going to start with, so first just type a little bit of randomness so that we have some of the regular formatting, and then you're going to hit enter. Right above that, I want you to make the font 24, and you're going to name your title. So come up with some kind of catchy title for your article, and then you're going to hit enter. Now we're going to go back and we're going to change this to your byline, which is nice and small, by your name. And then you're going to hit enter. Then, how we always start magazine articles is your current location. So, Ellicott City, Maryland. Oops, sorry, I forgot. This part needs to be back to, what was that original one? See, even I had to go back. So that's 11 font. So then we're going back to 11, Ellicott City, Maryland, tab. And now you can actually start typing your introduction. Now there's 2 more things we are going to do. 1, you are going to come over here and you are going to hit justify, what that does is once you start typing, see how it makes it so it spaces all the way across, and that's how magazine articles are written. So we're going to justify. And then the other thing you're going to do, somewhere in this space, you are going to left click and you're going to go to table properties. And you're going to go to table border. And you want your table border to be white. And then click OK. So now you've got those 2 columns. So once you get to the bottom of this page and you need to space up to the other side, you can just click over here and start typing, and it's going to have 2 columns of text for you to work with. So you're going to fill this entire page with text and images. In order to add an image, you just insert, you find your image on Google. Alright, so let's go find an image of frogs. So we go to Google search. And then we're going to go to frogs. I'm going to find a nice image of a frog, images. I kind of like that one. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to click view image. And then up here I am going to control or command, depending on whether you're on an Apple or a Mac, C for copy. And then we're going to do by URL. And then command or control V. And then that image will show up there. And you can insert it into your text. So you can put it between paragraphs. You can also make it a little smaller if you want the text to go right around it. And see, you're going to click wrap text so the text goes right around it. There we go. So you need to make sure your heading is done correctly. You need to make sure that you've got your city, state, and then frogs are a great companion, blah, 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 blah. Type in your whole essay, add some images. You're going to have a couple of days to work on making your magazine article.